Hi guys, it feels like so long since I last did a video, but if you follow my Instagram you'll know that I recently got a new job and it's just been very full on. I feel like I have no time at all to do anything. I'm like leaving the house at 7 o'clock in the morning and then getting home at about 7 o'clock at night. So by then, as you can probably understand, I just have no time, no energy, no anything to film a video. And it's really rubbish, but this is adult life. So I've took a day off today, and well, I took a day off because I got my loot crate. Now, I did subscribe to this last year. It was a birthday gift, and I really enjoyed it. Oh my god, did you see that? I swear to god, if there's a ghost in this room, I'm out. Like, did you see that just float up? That was weird. Anyway, what was I saying? So, oh yeah, so I got a couple of these last year and really like them, but they are quite expensive. And they do only come every other month. So I decided to get geek gear for a while, but I just wasn't feeling it. It's like, it's not always official merch, and I'm a bit of a merch snob sometimes. So I thought I'd try the loot crate one again. I think I got like a discount code or something through an email, and I ended up getting it for £20, which is really good for a loot crate because I think they're normally about £40. And I ordered this about 2 months ago, forgetting about the whole loot crate comes every 2 months, unlike Geek Gear, which is every month. So it feels like I've waited so long for this. I'm quite impressed because it's like quite a big box. I thought I'd open it for you today. It is the summer holidays and it's my mum's birthday today, so the house is a lot noisier than usual. I don't know if you know this, but I've got 5 younger sisters and all of them are like, the youngest one is 10 and the oldest one is about to turn 17, so they're all very noisy, and well, you're probably going to hear some bizarre noises in this video, so just ignore them, pretend they're not there. I normally film when they're in school or not at home, but it just so happens that on the one day that I've got off work, they're all staying in today, which is sod's law, but we're going to go over it anyway because it's been way too long since I last put a video out. So yeah, anyway, here's the box. It's got a cute little picket on the front. I have sliced it open first for ease of use. Ooh. I am really excited because I've never seen a loot crate box this big. Oh, I love this with the loot crate boxes where you can turn them into something else. So it looks like a new suitcase. So it must be creatures. Magical creatures. Warning, hide shiny objects before opening. I think I know what this might be. Hiding shiny objects. I'm quite excited about this then. Oh, I hate polystyrene. You'll also hear Millie snoring because she's next to me, but she's camera shy as usual. Oh my god, look at this. He is the, oh, he's a money box. He is the cutest thing. Oh my god. He's like a little ceramic as well. That is so cute. This is my favourite loot crate box already. I always feel sad when I get things like this. Well, I'll show you first. Oh, I'm sorry about the light. They are, what are they? The cookie cutters. And we have Sweeping Eagle, and it says the word Bone Truckle, and a Rumpant, and a Niffler. Now I'm all for like bacon and cooking, and I mean I'm definitely no Jacob or Queenie for that matter, so whenever I get things like these I always feel really sad because I know they're just never going to get used. But they are really pretty and they look really well made too. Maybe I can get someone more talented than me to bake me some cookies. Or we can do another like bacon fail video They're always fun. After the disaster of me Harry Potter birthday cake, that was no good, was it? Although a few of you have tried it and sent me pictures, and I mean, yours turned out better than mine. So well done for that. This is the pin badge. I love this as well with the loot crates, where you get the different pin badge in each one, and they're always so well made. Oh my god. See, cupboard door slamming and everything. That is amazing. Oh my god, it comes out as well. I'll show you what it is. Look, it's a basilisk with the sword of Gryffindor through his head. But look at this. It comes out, and then I don't know if you'll be able to see it very well, but oh, probably not. It'll never focus, will it? It does say Godric Gryffindor down the sword. That is so nice, and it's quite heavy as well. That'd be a really nice brooch, and people probably wouldn't even realise that it's Harry Potter. I'm impressed. I'm pretty sure normally you get a t-shirt in these, but there doesn't seem to be one this time. Oh my, these are so cute. These are definitely coming to work with me. Look at this. A little Hagrid, and what do we have? Fang, Hedwig, Thestral, and a Buckbeak. Little post-it notes. They are so cute. There's a little note. To our brave Gryffindors, clever Ravenclaws, cunning Slytherins, and loyal Hufflepuffs. We truly hope that you enjoy your magical creatures items. However, there is one more item missing from this crate. Like, normal people would be sad about that, but I'm really happy because that means that there's going to be more magic post. There was an unexpected manufacturing delay with the t-shirts. Ah, okay. But rest assured that we are working diligently to resolve the issue. We will of course contact you, blah, 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 blah. Ah, so a t-shirt is going to follow. These are like little brochures that tell you what was inside the box. And I don't really know if I want to look at it because maybe the t-shirt will be inside. I'm going to look. This crate's magical loot. Oh, the nipple is so cute. Oh, that t-shirt. That's so pretty. So it's like all silhouettes of all the magical creatures. That is really cute. It looks like it glows in the dark. Perfect attire for an aspiring magizoologist. This enchanting tee depicts the silhouettes of some of the Wizarding World's most well-known magical creatures. It doesn't say if it glows in the dark, but it looks like it does. We'll find out, I guess. Yeah, so should we turn it inside out? I mean, I've never been good at like origami and stuff, so... I just nearly dropped my tea everywhere. What am I doing? It might be a sec. Bear with me. There we go. Oh my god. That is so cool. I love that they do these. Wrappers everywhere. I love that they do this, but now I feel like I can never throw this box away and I just end up with boxes everywhere all over my room, which it's just, I mean, I have the tiniest bedroom ever. It's probably only marginally bigger than Harry's cupboard, so yeah, there's not much room for stuff. Something else I got this week I thought I'd just show you in this video was, oh actually I got two things this week. I got this Mona Myrtle Funko Pop, and she glows in the dark. I'll insert a picture so you can see. I wasn't sure what the detailing was going to be like because she's just blue, but it's actually really, really detailed. There's quite a lot of paintwork that's gone into it, and she even has like I don't know if you can see because it won't focus, but she has like loose strands of hair. I have the chocolate frog candle and Millie is sniffing it. I think she thinks it's actual chocolate. That's not going to happen, sunshine. I picked up... Okay, that was a bit of a clue. I picked up some bits from Primark as well this week. I finally got my hands on the Hufflepuff candle. Now this was the only one that I needed to complete the set. It's probably the nicest smelling one as well. I can't actually remember what the smell is meant to be. I don't know. I don't even know what it smells like. It just smells really fresh and clean and nice. So I have the full Primark candle collection now. I also finally got my hands on the Ravenclaw mug. I could not find this anywhere and it was driving me mad. There was no... I couldn't find it. Oh look, here's Millie. Say hi. What's this? I've never ever found any of the other houses even. I did originally want to get all of them because they're just so pretty. And then I went into my local Primark recently and they happened to just have this one. And I thought, how lucky can you get really? I mean, I didn't really have the money to spend, but it had to be done. And then the next thing I've got. Now this has been like a bit of a holy grail, like... You alright, Millie? I think she's fed up. I think she's bored of me talking. This has been a bit of a holy grail in the whole Harry Potter Primark collecting world. I was speaking to someone on Instagram recently and they were even saying that they seen one picture on Instagram and thought, does it even exist? Because they'd not seen it again for ages. And I was like, no, I definitely saw the same picture. So, I mean, two of us can't have seen it and imagined it, so it must be real. Anyway, we didn't hear anything about it for ages and ages. And then another picture popped up and I was like, they must be real. And it was the chocolate frog candle. And I was like, there's no way. I've just told you about the nightmare of trying to get the Ravenclaw cup and the Hufflepuff candle. And it's like everything that everyone really wants from the Harry Potter collection. They just never end up in my local Harry Potters. They never end up in my local Primarks. So I just kind of have to deal with it and accept that I never get the good stuff. But I did. I mean, there wasn't many of these left. People were wiping them out. It was weird. They don't even smell nice. Like, it smells of chocolate, but not like a dairy milk. Not even like a chocolate frog. But it is beautiful. I don't think anyone ever will ever like this. I don't know how you could, because it's just, you'd have to melt the frog and that's really sad. Imagine how cool it would be if you did actually melt it and there's like a little chocolate frog card at the bottom. That would be amazing. Someone should do that. Primark, you need to get on that. So yeah, that's a little bit of a haul on the end of the Loot Crate video. I have really missed doing videos and it's just horrible not having the time. But hopefully when I'm properly settled into this job and I don't know, I would just like get a bit better at managing my time, because I'm that person who is like always late for everything. I'm awful at time management. I mean, I didn't say that in the interview for the job, but I am. So it is just taking a bit of getting used to really, and trying to find time to fit everything in, like work, walking Millie even. Like, I feel like I just don't have time to do that anymore. I'm just exhausted and I feel like I moan about how tired I am 24/7, and I'm going to bed at like 10 o'clock, and I'm the girl who normally was going to bed at like 3 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, this kind of past month or so has been pretty crazy and pretty new, and it's been quite a big adjustment, so we'll get there. And these videos, sorry, I'm stroking Millie. It looks a bit like I'm like, I don't know, I've got a crystal ball or something down here, but I've not. It's just Millie. I'm going to try and get some more filming slotted in as much as possible, and the videos might just be a bit more spaced out and a bit more at odd times and odd days, and not the usual kind of Wednesday. So if you just bear with me, but I am constantly posting on Instagram every day, and I am always there and answering messages and things like that. So I've not gone completely. I've just kind of slowed down a bit, but I'll get back to it as soon as I can. I do have a few fun Potter days planned for next month. I'm going to visit my friend Blossom, who you might know as the Hufflepuff Queen, and we are going to go to the studio tour and is it Laycock Abbey? I'm not sure. And so you'll get a few vlogs out of that, which they should be super fun. And then I am planning to travel down to Brighton. This is all going to be in 1 week, so hopefully it all works out and it happens. But I'm going to travel down to Brighton, visit OliversBrighton, which is a Harry Potter themed shop run by probably the nicest Slytherin you'll ever meet, Oliver. And he's got the cutest bunny rabbit called Luna. So I'm going to go and pay them a visit, so you'll get a vlog out of that as well. And hopefully visit another Wisdom family, the Gumbles. They're on Instagram too, and they are super nice. They just had a new baby called Remus. How cute is that? So I'm going to try and fit in a visit with them as well. It's really cool because I've never actually met any of these people in real life, so it's really exciting. So I should have loads of videos coming up in September. You'll be sick of me. Anyway, I've rambled on, so I'll end the video now. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like and comment below if you feel like it. You don't have to. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye!